Hey guys, it's me Hashim. This is my second video on YouTube, and today I'll show you Flappy Bird hacked. So first of all, if you have an Android, you should go to Play Store. Go to Play Store. You type there, or better you don't go to Play Store. You go to Chrome, and then over here. And in the Google you type Flappy Bird hack. You click on that. You get this Floppy Bird high score. You press on install Play Store. So I have already installed that. I have already installed that. You install and you open, so it will come that Floppy Bird high score. You press start and just play. You see I'm just going below that. Oh wait, I'll show you. Press on start, then see. But I'm getting 0.2 if I'm not yeah, I'm getting 0.2, no, 9. You can see my best score is 106, so you can share that. Yeah, so this is that, and thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe.